Hey, hi guys.
Hello.
I think you guys are from India.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, कहाँ से हो आप?
We are from Delhi.
Delhi. And ma'am आप?
I'm actually born in Philippines but live in India.
Oh, that's great.
Noida.
Okay. So I was just walking by and saw you guys. So I have a channel, Church on Street. It's Insta and bio, YouTube पे है. Just wanted to know your thoughts about the Indian growth. मोदी जी के बारे में या फिर एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में. बाय द वे आपका क्या एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड क्या है?
I'm studying right now. I'm in 11th grade.
11th grade. सर आप?
So currently, I am pursuing undergraduation from Delhi University, a college called Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, and I'm pursuing BCom honors.
ओके. सो ओवरऑल आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है इंडिया के बारे में, जो अभी करंट डेवलपमेंट चल रही है या एजुकेशन के बारे
See,
में?
I think the growth right now could definitely be better. Our foreign exchange and our currency, on the basis of other currencies, is slightly lagging behind, and it could definitely improve.
ओके.
Yeah, the growth is not entirely like it is not negative, but it can definitely be better. That's what I think.
Okay. This was about the our economy.
Yeah, our economy.
What about the education system we have?
I think our education system can
system is
improve a
good.
lot. No,
It is good.
No, I think up until schools it's fine, but our higher
With the
education
exams and all.
our higher
Competitive
educations,
exams.
especially in commerce backgrounds, they can definitely improve a lot. The professors, especially in Delhi University, if I talk about Delhi University, the professors, they never come on time. They don't care about the attendance of students like us, and that basically demotivates all the students. So that can definitely be a thing the government can improve upon.
Government should be looking into this.
Yeah, they should
small
definitely
things
be
which
looking
is going
into
to
this.
impact a
Yeah,
lot.
for sure. Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing about, like, you guys are in Pattaya enjoying here the weather and all things, street foods and all. Even I just came by today only, and I've seen the streets are pretty clean here.
Yeah.
Even though
Yes,
the
for sure.
crowd is so much, but these guys are maintaining it so nice. So what do you guys think? Like, we have Goa in India, we have
Goa is
more
nice.
beaches, please, and so those places also, it should be like this clean. What do you think? Or it
Goa
is?
is clean.
See, I've
But
never been to
overall
Goa,
India-
so I cannot talk about Goa. But where I'm from, in Delhi,
Yeah, that's not clean.
the streets can definitely improve. The garbage lying around, and see, that is something that the people in our states need to be more vigilant about and need to be more educated about, because the government does their work mostly in most places, but in streets like this, in places like this, like we see in Pattaya, no local never throws around their garbage
Right.
just anywhere. I cannot see no plastic bags, nothing around the beaches, and it is very clean.
Right. Even though there is so much crowd, everyone is carrying something with
Yes,
them, but
for
they
sure.
don't throw it
Yeah,
on
they
the
don't
road.
do it.
Yes, they
So
never
basic
do.
civic sense should be there in Indian.
Yes, and in the locals,
Zero
more than the
civic sense.
government, that is something the locals need to improve upon.
Right. And do you think, like, our tax, what tax has been getting deducted, it has been utilized nicely in India?
I'm
No.
not very well versed about the topic, so I'd like to ignore that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to say something on the tax part?
No.
No? Okay. Cool, guys. Cool. Can you just tell me your name again?
I'm Yugraj Malhotra.
Okay, nice. Nice to
And
meet
I'm
you guys.
Kinisha James.
Great. Great to see you guys here in Pattaya. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.